Yeah, what is going on, guys? What is going on, guys? Welcome once again. This video I want to make it because I got one of my follower, in my group when I said, okay, hey, change this USD JPY. It's like we are not selling it anymore. It's gonna buy. I said this yesterday, but I understand that, some people might be like, still confused about, what is going to happen in the market. They don't know. This is why I do say now, Forex is not a guess. It's not a guess at all. Like I said, if you don't have the eyes to know what will happen in the market before it ever happens, before the price will ever move, it's better you follow some people who knows it. Follow them. Because I know we are all different people. We are different human beings. This Forex you see also, it has a kind of relationship with the type of human being we are. You understand? We can quickly notice things faster than each other. You understand? Example, the way I am here, I'm the kind of guy who if I stay in one environment, okay, if I stay in one environment and there's something is going on or something is about to happen or something is going on, look, I'm the kind of guy that will leave before that happens. You understand? So, relating this to Forex, when I said, hey, get out of that USD JPY setting, please, buy. And somebody said to me, oh, it looks like a sell. But I said, okay, why does it look like a sell? There was no explanation. You see, I want to tell you guys something that will help you. You understand? I've been this Forex trader for a long time and I've been exactly the way you are. Only I changed myself the way I was. You understand? If you cannot have any explanation for your decision, then I think you're gonna get things wrong and you're gonna do the wrong thing. If you don't have explanation for your decision, why will you take the decision that you want to take? If you don't know it, then you will take the wrong decision. When I said, hey, get out of that USD JPY, you see, it's because I sense something. I sense it like something is about to happen here. You understand? It's not like the usual things I used to see. Okay, apart from the fact that I got all my tools, my signal, everything is here. I still got my eyes to look at the market. You understand? But I fished something out that something is acting crazy with the USD JPY yesterday. Okay, you don't need to come trade with the way you wanna think. No. This is trading. Good. We need to have the knowledge, the skills, which takes years to build. Okay? It seems like the profession of a doctor, a lawyer, all these skilled people, the engineer, it takes them 10 years to build a skill. So definitely you look at the trading. Before you make trading to be part of your life or your system, honestly you need to be friendly with your chart. Okay, because I've been friendly with my Forex chart for 12 years. Sorry, I've been in front of this chart for 12 years, and the only thing I study in my life is the movement of the price. Apart from the fact that there are some indicators here, this and that, all these indicators are put here is just to to alert me in case if I sleep. Okay, maybe I sit in front of my chart and I sleep. I slept off to say. So these indicators will make noise and I will wake up. That's it. But to look at the market and say, hey, let's get out of this thing, USD JPY. Let us change the direction from sell to a buy. You know, but look at what happened after then. The direction changed, which means what? Which means I told you ever before it happens. So when I tell people that, look, don't say that people don't know what will happen before it happens. I will tell you those people are those gamblers who don't know what they are doing. Okay? Because you will not tell me that if you live in the environment, and in your environment, you cannot tell me that you don't know what will happen if you cross the red traffic light. You know that the car might hit you. Or you will not tell me that you don't even know where the traffic light is located in your environment, or the nearest 7-Eleven. So, you know, to me, Forex is like my own environment where I have, you know, I have lived for long. So whatever is coming, I guess I know. Whatever it is, I know. But, you know, I still got some things here that people don't see. Got some kind of big stuff that throw that information out here, you understand? So it's not about you want to guess the Forex stuff. It's about you need the tool. You cannot go to the farm without taking your hoe and cutlass, or without taking the tractor and the bulldozer. I don't know what that is, but, you know, you treat Forex same, because you will be perfect when you get the tool. The tool is guidance, but when you get the tool also, will you understand the tools? Because you are the one controlling the tools. It's not the tools controlling you. Because when you look at my tools that I have here, I'm the one who made the settings. The settings as in how they match each other. When you look at this chart now, it's because of this video I bring this chart out to make analysis. Okay, it looks horrible, but all the moving averages you see here, I understand all of them. This trend line I drew here and this one, I understand all of them. Anything you see on this chart, I understand all of them. Look at this one, it's jumping up, following the price and telling you, hey, come on, that price is going up. That is why it's showing you the green light here. Okay, so I understand all these things on my screen. So it's not also about you using that indicators or whatever when you don't even understand it. Okay, where somebody might say in the Forex market, hey, get out of that zone, man. That zone is a danger zone, man. Another guy might tell you, hey, come on, let's wait a little bit. I feel comfortable here. You see, these are the two things that make up a trader. The two aspects of thinking. We have the two ways we think. Sometimes when I sit down here, okay, I think like that. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it this? Is it that? But you see, all those things, I fight it. I throw it away. I pick what is the best. The best is the price. Okay, because the price is the only thing that will never tell you lie. The price will never deceive you. The price will never confuse you. Okay, so when you try to know the movement of the price, when something is funny, like something is acting funny, you will know what is going on. You understand? I will make a video later to show you guys how to know when something funny is happening inside that market. I think I'm gonna make this video to end right now. I just addressed one issue. I hope everybody will learn from this, that don't be confused. If you don't know it, follow those people who have a proven result that they know it. We have suffered a lot. Trading Forex for 12 years with, I used to be the way everybody were, for solid 8 years of losing, rising and falling, rising and falling, rising and falling. All those things built me up. A lot of times I put indicators on my screen, and how many times I threw them away until I'm able to gather the indicators that I like and I know how to use. You understand? Whatever indicators I put on my screen, I understand it. If I don't have indicators, I'm good, because that price is what I know. I follow that price. Hey, everybody, I want you to do yourself one favor. Just learn how to follow the price, because the price will never lie to you. That is it. Or the price does not need a setting. You don't need settings for the price. You don't need to ask anybody, hey, what is the setting for this price? You don't need a setting. Look at your chart and see what is going on. But it takes it to know that. Okay, it's not what you will know within a day. It takes long. It's a skill on its own. You understand? It's a skill. I purposely bring out this chart. Okay, this is my chart for analysis. I purposely bring it. I want to show you guys something. Now look, whatever is coming, we know what is coming, man. Before this arrow ever came out, I told guys yesterday, hey, get out of this selling. We are selling. Get out. Something is going to happen until we bounce up and go. But look at this arrow just came up, and look at this one chasing the price up. Do you understand? So, it's a big experience, man. But, only the price will help you. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.